the economic and military alliance between Portugal, South Africa, and the illegal regime in southern Rhodesia is a significant factor in an overall attempt to establish a white fortress in southern Africa, within which white privilege will be maintained at the expense of the human rights of the African majority. Portugal does not manufacture arms. She would not be able to continue her colonial war if the countries which are supplying her with a variety of military supplies were to end this infamous and inhuman trade. It's the firm hope of my delegation that the members of the Council will come to agree that the imposition of an arms embargo is the obvious course of action, particularly at this stage when clouds of danger are darkening the African horizon as a result of the tragic situation in Angola, Mozambique, and Guinea-Bissau and Cape Verde.
Madam President, we have just finished elections for the formation of our first National Assembly. Sometime in the near future, this Assembly will meet and we will proclaim a state. We have all the components of sovereign state and we'll use it and act accordingly. It's not our intention, and I repeat, it's not our intention to bring Portugal to its knees. But I can assure you that no matter what it will take, we'll have to put an end to the Portuguese colonial system in Guinea-Bissau and in Cape Verde. Madam President, in conclusion, I would like to salute you and that good country of yours, the Republic of Guinea, and your President.